This is a throwdown box. Used with the opticalCON MTP product line, this allows a user to convert the opticalCON MTP standard cable into the commercial grade MTP. This is a great choice to use if we have to change that last minute patch from an opticalCON to a standard MTP. We also offer this tactical line that still maintains a nice, robust, and rugged tactical jacket, but with the more standardized MTP connector. This is available in either the 12 or the 24 fiber version. Now the point of the video today is sometimes customers need polarity A, sometimes customers need polarity B, sometimes customers buy it and want to change the polarity. So what we offer now is our retrofit kit. And what that retro kit fit allows us to do is we'll send you either the polarity A or polarity B, the type of pinout that you prefer given your application and your typical usage. You can simply take a couple screws out of our chassis. These are self-tapping screws, so they are built into the aluminum. Inside, we see we've got a traditional MTP. Now this is bend tolerant fiber, so don't have to really worry about kinking so much because it's incredibly flexible, just like the opticalCON MTP cable is. But it is bare ribbon. We have to exercise a little caution, but we can simply take our new pigtail with our new pinout. We want to look for our keys on our connectors and plug those in accordingly. We want to take a little bit of care and time. Just simply snap those into their spots. Push that fiber coil over. Trap it inside the housing and reinstall the screws to button it back up. So not too difficult, moderate experience required. Just don't want to kink the fiber, don't want to get it pinched between the two halves when we put it back together. But we can use that retrofit kit to change the identity of our throwdown box. So if you were to order this particular product as a method A or method B, your technicians could also keep backup retro kits if for some reason it were required to upgrade the product or modify the product. Thank you.